To do June dump trend on TikTok, first open TikTok, then go to search option and search June dump template. Here, you will find lots of videos which are made with the June dump template. Just click on anyone and then click on try this template option above the username. Now just click on use template in Capcut and then click on use template, and you have to upload the required number of photos or videos, and then you can share on TikTok. If you want to use different template, you can just see all the videos uploaded here, and then you can pick the one you like, and then you can make a video using that template. And if you want more related to June recap template, then go to search option and search June recap template. And here you will find lots of videos with June recap template. Choose any one you like, and to use, just click on try this template option above the username, and then you can make your video with that template and then share on TikTok. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.